Hey girl, hey girl. Oh, oh. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you
Hot body girl, girl, I wind up for me. You come for your girl, but you know I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hot body girl, girl, I wind up for me. You call for your girl, but you know I'm sorry.
girl? Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I know game. Anytime you're ready, girl. Let me hear the bass make me fly. In a rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the act. Taste like sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the track. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back.
Here are the products that I am going to be using in today's video. I have this Dr. Bonner's soap in the smell peppermint, some citrus, callus remover. I have the glass foot file, which I'm not really going to use in this video. And I also have a stone and some cotton balls and things to clean up the cuticle with. You can find most of these products from Amazon. I also have this citrus detox that I'm going to put in the water.
Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. What this make you feel like you? 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 Girl, you want to broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Yeah, yeah. Ladies, come here, come here. Yes, to the girl them. Hey, up for me, girl them. Yeah.
Alright, so let's turn this thing on. I added a few drops of the peppermint soap. It's making bubbles. That's the whole reason why I wanted to add it, because I love bubbles. So yeah, had to add some bubbles. After cleaning of the cuticles, you want to make sure that you are getting away all of that dead skin and cuticles, clippings, nails, all of that off of the toe area. So I just use some of the callus remover. I'm pretty sure you can use something different like cuticle remover to get the job done. And I'm just going to use my brush here and scrub, 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 removing away all of that dead skin around the toenail growing area.
Caught up on your love, caught up on your love, caught up on your love.
Anything we do on the first foot, of course, we want to do it on the other foot. So here is the before of his left foot, and here is the after. I went ahead and cleaned up the cuticle area, and now I'm going to tackle that corn, as you would call it, on the side of his big toe. I'm going to be using my drill to clean that area up. I wouldn't recommend doing this at home. Of course, just be careful if you do choose to do something like this with the drill, but a nail filer would also clean that area up for you. So I put my drill setting on 6, and I'm using the smaller little nail, the drill bit, and just cleaning up this area, removing that skin. It's kind of rough there, and yeah, not too much though, not too much. That I had and it got the job done. I'm cleaning all of that dead skin from underneath the bottom of his foot. Y'all, my hand had got tired. You see, like right here, I was barely making it. Here is the finished product. My camera died, so at this point I had to record off my phone. I wanted to get that finished product in, and now I'm just about to wipe the toes down with some alcohol. Definitely want to do that, and make sure that you are also disinfecting your tools as well, cleaning them. I cleaned mine real good when I was done, and also wipe them down with alcohol as well.